Hey everyone, and welcome back to Promptify AI TV.
What if you could multiply your creativity, accelerate your research, and generate stunning UI concepts, all with a single sentence? Welcome, designers, to the future of our craft. Today we're not just talking about AI in design. We're giving you the exact keys, the powerful prompts and frameworks you need to integrate AI seamlessly into your product design workflow. We're covering everything from user research and ideation in ChatGPT, to generating visual concepts in Midjourney, and even creating functional UI components right inside Figma. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit of expert-level prompts to save you hours, break through creative block, and design smarter. Let's dive in. Segment 1, the foundation, prompting for research and strategy. Purpose: build clarity, remove guesswork, create direction. Before we even think about pushing pixels or opening a design app, we need clarity. The best product designers don't start with visuals, they start with understanding. AI can help us build that foundation faster, deeper, and with more precision than ever. 1. User persona generation, refined and more professional. Act as a lead UX researcher. Create a complete persona for a budget-conscious college student who uses a fintech app to save and manage money. Include demographics, behaviors, motivations, frustrations, tech habits, top decision drivers, a real-life scenario, a memorable quote. Format in a clean table. Added behaviors, tech habits, and decision drivers, standard in professional UX research. 2. Competitive analysis. More actionable. Compare product A and product B, focusing exclusively on onboarding experience. First session engagement. Habit-forming hooks. UI/UX clarity. Emotional tone of the interface. Provide a bullet point breakdown and a final summary with opportunities we can exploit. Added habit loops, UI clarity, emotional tone, vital for designers. 3. Jobs to be done, more structured. Using the jobs to be done framework, define the core job, related jobs, and emotional jobs for a user who uses a meal planning app. Include functional job, emotional job, social job, anxieties, and expected outcomes. Expanded with anxieties and outcomes to improve problem framing. Segment 2, ideation and conceptualization. Purpose: use AI as an infinite idea engine. Now that our foundation is set, let's generate concepts. AI is your brainstorming partner, one that never gets tired and never runs out of ideas. Phase 2. Prompt 4. Feature ideation, upgraded. Generate 12 unique feature ideas for a sustainable fashion marketplace. For each feature, include feature name, one-line description, main user benefit, potential risk or limitation, a realism score, 1 to 10. Added risk plus realism score, real product teams use these. 5. User flow plus story mapping. Create a step-by-step user flow for a first-time user signing up to a project management tool, creating a new workspace, and adding teammates. Use verbs first. Keep it simple, clear, and sequential. Story mapping format helps shorten development time. 6. UX microcopy, optimized. Write 5 friendly, reassuring microcopy variations for an invalid password error. Tone: warm, helpful, supportive. Reading level: grade 6. 3. Visual design and mockups, Midjourney/DALL-E/Leonardo AI. Purpose: move from concepts to stunning visuals. This is where everything becomes visual. The secret to perfect mockups? Context plus style plus detail. Phase 3, visual design and AI mockups. 7. UI style exploration, premium. A futuristic fitness tracker dashboard UI with heart rate, steps, and goals. Design style, glassmorphism plus layered gradients. High contrast, clean typography, soft ambient glow. Mobile screen, 916. AR 916 V6 style high quality, Q2 inch. Added contrast, glow, typography clarity. 8. Photorealistic product mockup. A hyperreal smartphone in-hand mockup showing a banking app dashboard with budgets, insights, and categories. Neutral natural lighting, premium mood, clean UI. Professional, trustworthy, crisp shadows. AR4:5 V6 no reflections, distortions. 9. Icon set, more styling details. A consistent icon set for a travel app, plane, suitcase, map pin, hotel, star. Line thickness 2.5 px, rounded corners, geometric balance, modern friendly look. V6 style clean. Segment 4, high fidelity in Figma. Purpose, transfer AI concepts into real product screens. Now let's take our AI generated concepts and turn them into real, interactive interfaces in Figma. Phase 4, high fidelity UI and prototyping. 10. Generate UI from text, optimized for plugins. Create a modern mobile settings screen with sections for account, notifications, privacy and security, elements, list rows, toggles, section headers, destructive logout button. Added destructive button clarity, used in industry. 11. Generate code from a mockup, more precise. Convert this Figma frame into React plus Tailwind code. Follow accessibility guidelines. Semantic HTML. Focus states. Keyboard navigation. Use responsive layout with Flexbox. 12. Content generation, more realistic. Generate 12 product names for an eco-friendly cleaning brand. Tone, premium, clean, modern. No cliches like eco, green, or pure. And there you have it. A complete framework for leveraging AI throughout your entire product design process. From research to high-fidelity mockups, you now have the prompts to supercharge your workflow. Prompts are pasted in description. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most surprising or useful way you've used AI in your design work? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.